Many of us grew up eating basic tacos. Well, those are great. I want to introduce you to a trendier version of them that's inspired by the food truck craze. They're called street tacos, and there's about 100 different ways to make them. They're usually made with small, soft corn or flour tortillas that are stuffed with all sorts of fillings. And since they're smaller, they're easier to eat on the go. For our quick version, we start by cutting up half a pineapple and placing most of it in a blender. The rest we'll set aside for later. To that, we add some canned chipotle peppers, lime juice, a bit of vinegar, and a bunch of south of the border spices. After this is blended, we pour it into a skillet along with some beer and chopped red onion. Once it's hot, we'll stir in some rotisserie chicken that we've shredded up. Then all that's left to do is build our tacos. We do this by spooning our chicken filling onto some warm tortilla shells and topping them with some chopped onion, the pineapple chunks that we set aside, and some crumbled goat cheese. To get the recipe for our Sassy Chicken Street Tacos, simply head over to our website. I'm Howard with Senorita Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a street-worthy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mm-hmm. How much do you have in your mouth?